Another day, another story. Hey everyone, welcome back to Shmtyre. Long time no see. So today we're talking about some essential tips for the usage of retinoids. If you watch this video till the end, you'll get all the essential tips and secrets you need to master the usage of retinoids in your skincare routine. So don't miss out on any valuable information. Today, we're diving into a topic that's long overdue: retinoids. What are they? Well, think of them as the foundation, the cornerstone of my skincare routine. They come in various forms like adapalene, tretinoin, retinol, and retinaldehyde, all with different levels of efficacy. But they're the key to achieving that dewy, glowy appearance we all desire. Retinoids offer a plethora of benefits for your skin, from fighting acne and reducing signs of aging to improving hyperpigmentation and refining skin texture. So, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your skincare routine to maximize those benefits. First and foremost, it's crucial to pick the right retinoid for your skin type and sensitivity. If you're new to retinoids, start with a milder option like retinol. Some great starters are CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol or the Ordinary's Grand Active Retinoid at 2%. If you're seeking stronger results, consider tretinoin or the highly effective tazarotene, but be cautious with the latter. Now let's talk application. Take a pea-sized amount of your chosen retinoid and apply it evenly on your cleansed face. And here's an essential tip. Always protect sensitive areas, especially around the eyes. Use an eye cream or an occlusive like Vaseline before applying the retinoid to safeguard against irritation. Now here comes the crucial part. Use it every other night to start with. Don't go full force initially, causing irritation and redness. Gradually increase the frequency over a couple of months to build your skin's tolerance. To prevent excessive irritation, consider creating a retinoid sandwich. Apply moisturizer before and after the retinoid. This will act as a barrier and provide additional hydration for your skin. Remember, patience is key with retinoids. Expect some initial flaking and irritation as your skin adapts to increased cell turnover. Stick with it for at least 2 to 3 months to witness the true magic of retinoids. Improved skin tone, reduced acne, and a more youthful appearance. We value your feedback, so drop your comments below. Let us know how we can enhance our videos and provide even more value to our Shmtyre community. Our goal is to help you achieve your skincare goals and make a lasting impact on your skin health. Thanks for joining us today on Shmtyre. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content every week. See you in the next video.